Hey guys, today we have the seated reverse fly on the pec deck machine. We're going to go for 12 today. These are great to target the rear portion of your shoulders. You'll notice that I have the arms all the way to the front. The seat is adjusted so that the shoulders and the arms are in line with one another. I'm in neutral grip and I'm going to keep my elbows slightly bent, almost like I'm hugging a bear throughout the entire motion so that I'm focusing on the back of my shoulders and not the traps. I need to obviously lower the weight so I can get a better mind-muscle connection here, which never be afraid to do. And then as you squeeze your shoulder blades together, you're going to move the arms out and back. Make sure it's in a wide arc. Okay, and then slowly return to the starting position, maintaining control and keeping tension in the delts. Avoid letting the weight slam or using momentum. And then repeat. Perform the movement for the prescribed number of reps, focusing on the feeling in the squeeze in the rear of those delts. Pro tip, initiate the movement by squeezing your shoulder blades first before the arms, then move. Don't lead with your hands. This ensures you're engaging your upper back and rear delts from the start and not letting the traps or the arms take over.